Welcome. Let's unlock the mystery of creating a PEM key for an IAM user in AWS. First, IAM users are essential for managing security in AWS. Second, PEM keys ensure safe access to resources. Think of them as VIP passes. Third, AWS key pairs act like secure lock-in key mechanisms. And finally, we'll walk through the exact steps to create one. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be generating keys like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk security. AWS IAM users allow controlled access, ensuring only authorized individuals can manage resources. Think of it as handing out guest passes. Some people get backstage access, others stay in the audience. Security is the backbone of cloud computing, and setting the right permissions is like defining roles at a concert. Finally, we'll cover best practices to keep everything locked down tighter than a drum. PEM keys, what are they and why should you care? Well, imagine your AWS access as a secret handshake. Without the right key, no handshake happens. These keys enable secure communication, just like whispering secrets instead of yelling them. They're stored in PEM format. Think of it like a key with a special shape. And lastly, they grant secure SSH and a PI access, basically VIP access without the bouncer. AWS Key Pairs. Sounds fancy, but they're just like a digital lock and key. The public key stays in AWS like an open door policy, while the private key is yours alone. Never share it. This setup ensures secure authentication, keeping cyber intruders out. They're especially vital for EC2 instances and IAM user security. So, if you don't want unexpected guests snooping in your AWS setup, keep your keys safe. Let's talk about PEM keys. These little files are like your VIP pass to cloud security. They store cryptographic credentials safely and help authenticate SSH access. But don't go sharing them like party invites. Keeping them confidential is a must. AWS loves PEM keys for secure authentication, and so should we. Managing your PEM keys is like keeping your house keys safe. Store them securely, rotate them now and then, and never leave them lying around. Encryption helps keep them protected, and strict access controls make sure they don't end up in the wrong hands. And please, let's not hard code them in our apps, because that's like leaving your keys in the front door. Rotating and revoking IAM keys is like spring cleaning for security. Identify the old keys, generate fresh new ones, and update permissions. Once done, toss out the old ones, because outdated keys are a hacker's dream. And don't forget to keep an eye on usage. Security isn't a one-time thing. Having trouble with your IAM keys? Don't panic. Start by checking permissions and access policies. Sometimes it's just a tiny misconfiguration. Verify the format, scan logs for clues, and if all else fails, reset or reissue them. Troubleshooting is detective work, but you'll get it right. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.